what's up guys, me Jimmy. If you are using the flash, for example, on a Sony A6400, okay, let me take out the cover. Click this flash button. For example, I do like this, and then click the preview the image. Okay, the aperture is quite big. Yeah, now let me do it. Okay, let's go. And then see, the image is very bright, right? I'm gonna change the flash composition because I already put it below. You can, from here you can change the flash composition very easy. Again, let me show you flash. Okay, yeah, so go to function, go to flash composition. Here you can change the flash composition. That's simple. Subscribe and bye.